iyasho bafethu it's your boy Itsemetse uDMD uthi my dad phenomenal 7 nokhona 7 umkhulu 7 bafethu phela we back with another episode. I'm not sure it is an episode or it's a vlog, but whatever it is bafethu yiyo. But then I'll be taking through training session yeSnack FC, which is a team yaseThokozanyana ekhona, which is like iminyaka ikhona, and it's one of the biggest teams esinayo la eThokoza. So I'll be taking through a training session yakhona. But then at the end of the episode, I did some interviews nyana namaplayer nyana ithunyana, youngest player, captain of the team, development coach, no coach wakhona. So as in singabe simoshe isikhathi athi sibe siyakade yabona nibe nibona yonke into ukuthi kwenzakaleni vele. Let me take you through it bafethu, asibonge.
Oh, spinning silent, we pass this again. I'm going to put your spin or rent. I'm going to put your spin or rent. Yeah? Yeah? Come. Yeah? Yeah.
Need another phone.
Yeah.
Salam.
Start the training session set up. Because not Mungu benza kuweza la watu zote. If you think you want to joke, now you may go around. Now is the door. Amboja lako. We know Oscar zanga la kuzozana. Nabanya abantu abadingi uncedo. With certain trains. When you feel uzomosha amatrains are necessary. Uvuka nje kusenje uzomosha. Bafika uzama ukuthatha serious. Everything that uzoyenza la. Ukuphumulene something. Nakusasa mawubuya ulena another thing. Umuntu makaphuma kube jacket uphuma phethi bheke yakhe wana uphuma nomngane wakho. Everyone unelane yakazi ukuthi ufika kuphi ngithi. So ngeke ukuthi mofika la uzola nomuntu utshela ukuthi umuntu how best you are. If you are the best so like you hambe silence nabantu abafuna uncedo. Because many players here are coming here bazothola uncedo la. Upersonal bene ufike lapho ngaphandle la. Uthatha after training session. Mawungenela ensimini uzosebenza nje kuphela. Then uhambe uyekile. noma uhleli lapha ke niwazi ukuthi abona namhlanje ngijimile ungathi mufika lapha ayithi training yethu le bebhoka training namhlanje bemnandi why itshintsha it's because of mood yakho mokujabula wena kumele ibe right mokukwate wena kumele ibe bad so once singayenza into right sisonke la ngoba nama-dress sawayenza in happiness you play with a smile izoba right yonke lento uzoyi-enjoy i-training noma something ekuborakisha endlini mofika la uwa happy na into emele kwenza i-medication yakho mofika la ipilisi likwenza ukuthi ube happy le so as that means everything esiyenza la bafethu asiyenza serious I don't need anyone uzopoint omunye umuntu la attitude when you talking with other person ayibe right kuye because naye responde in bad asiphendulani kahle sikhulumeni kahle bafethu masenza le training session yamanje leyo nto yena sesizoyidlala khona manje sizoyidlala in a good speed and akekho umuntu ozothi upoint omuntu abo press abantwana mangabe siluza ibhola kuyanje kuyo press we are playing with good movement mangaluza ibhola siya press kwathulana so asibuyele that side that really really we are playing with 2 balls
abantu bethu laba siye fana hayi mabathunuki
Well done, Jenny.
Come on, shit.
Socha. Timer. Two sharp. Come on, shake. Socha. Ram. Alham.
Shaye kude.
Singalali. Susa lapho. Hayi wena. Pasa lento. Susibhola lapho amazambane yonke into
hey ball
lapho stamina Move it forward.
check the person on the side of you
Sebenza, Tata. Tata, don't fall. Don't fall, Tata. Couple. Oh, stop. Come on. Hayi, general wena usanyakazi. Yesa ngitraffic la. Yenza njani? Ngizokuzwa unganyakazi. Yes. Akufile thana ngisakufile. Go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chico. Bada sabo. Bada. Uyangibona? Sabo ngibona nje. 40. Bada 40 nakhona ne. Balance phela. Ngithe yimo phela. Ngifuna ukuphatha nini? Maye bongifakile ngizophatha. Yeah, bengithe ubani umsebenzi wakho ubani. Bada. Head up. One, let's do it again. One. Push. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Sure, so how was the training section today? Noma sikubambe off guard, so nje ungasitshela about the training session today.
Yeah.
So what was happening kahle?
No, today we are dealing a combination play. Combination play, balance, moving in certain meters. Understand now? Because in the field of play, you need to have a combination. So in the sense today, it's about combination. How we do our rondos.
Yeah.
You can see we do our rondos. 2 is marking. Sometimes we're using 2 balls. Then this is a focus in individual players. Understand? To not focus in one place, so that using an scannings. As well. So all these drills and buy-ins are intensely implemented in the field of playing, because everything that you are doing, you are account. So much as if you train like a beast, you're gonna play like a beast. If you train hard, you're gonna play hard. If you train deadly, you're gonna play deadly. So all these things, the seasons are from the transition in something we have to implement in the field of play. So all the passing drills, movements, is determined from each individual player how good he is in terms of bowling.
So individually, so let's say who's in charge because of
I'm not available. John is in charge. I give John Mutian. We over in charge lana. So I know if I'm not here, he apprentice some negativity.
Man.
When I'm here, they know what. So but something I learn if I'm here, they need to learn from them discipline. You understand? Because it's not about me putting corner. So they have to do it as in corner even if I'm here coming. You understand?
So manje who's the team captain and who's the youngest player onayo manje currently kula?
The captain of the team usually Siabong Sochi. He captain the team is Snake. The youngest players we have is introduced Utando, the young one.
So about to Sosha, so Sosha I heard you say Northwest. So team captain kanjani because of in most cases so mange who's in charge as team captain, or you just choose regarding on the day which wins on the day, how you feel what's in the game, you handle pressure, or It's just happened.
Nowadays, captains is not being chosen. Go to now how many appearances in like team and stuff. Discipline.
Yeah.
Yabona ubonise uyento le faith nokuqiniso wakho attendance understand into ezenzayo ukuthi ube good even performance sometimes it gives you lento le ukuthi you were captain of team sometimes so if usoja akekho I just choose someone understand that based in discipline yakhe then is going to be our captain.
Ngiyabonga mceceshi for ukuthi ufike lana allow me to ngenze riding yakho training session yakho today. So yazi ke since we have to do that interview again. Lehleki because of yazi ngiyakolota because manje nabantu baluke bakhuluma bonile nama comments abamaningi kanjani. But then but ke mceceshi sibongile ne.
No ngibonga mina mfuthu. Sure.
Sure mfowethu. So sikhuluma nobani? Okay, senze so umqeqeshi bekashela ngayo ukuthi mangekho wincha so uyini teaming kahle
eteamini mina ngidila nge-development at the same time I'm playing with senior team so most of the time if akekho ngitake over kuma-session wama-senior team. Yes.
So how long have you been doing this then? Because of we know you as a team development.
In terms of coaching bengiloko it's been a while almost 7 years ngaqala from ku-TSA where I started la ngaqala khona ku-TSA la ngithole khona ulwazi until now but we are still working on progress LFA produce ama-coaching course then I think ukuthi into ezosinceda leyo going forward thina bocoach abakhulayo.
So far so good because of good development we know you with nama trophies amaningi that everyone but so far when ala good idea ku-senior team do you see progress enkulu after their Eastern win?
I don't want to lie, there's more progress. And then if you can check Snack, it's one of the big team around Katuras. We are producing best players, we are producing players. As you see Abo Social playing for Mtsipe League, we are producing Abo Rama, former TS Galaxy players, still in part and parcel Snack. So far, progress is corner, but we need to work on momentum, continuity yalento esenza singabi nama off and in and off ama moments whereby kuma tournament sikwazi ukufika ku final amanye asikwazi.
So like njengoba banoke out early in this time kule Easter lena and there were games of champ of champs ama qualifier champ of champs. I was like bofila kanjani not seeing Snack participating there?
I wouldn't say I was very sad because I knew we one of the best and then we deserve to give Elo Kunjani 100% in terms of his performance. I see him one not disappointed, but still, my fans way to they are very disappointed. So I was happy at the same time, he said, but why it's being happy? It's a learning curve from Tinuguchi. I say, look comfort zone. If you are a champ, more defend the champion, more defend the trophy. Makbonagale from the first whistle until the final whistle you are a champ. So we undermine opponents because now we had something which is ngama defending champions. So mentally is bulele kakhulu. But going forward, I think babonile amaphutha and then we are preparing for the Tony Garros tournament will play manje ngoJune. We are preparing for isomhlolo manje ngoJune. As you know, it was a Snake. It's playing at David on December, it's playing at Tutuza, it's playing a Katlehong. So we are preparing. We need many squad as we can. We need players as we can. But in a present of Coach Mevula no Matala James, I don't think there is something as was failure. Singa failure team.
Sibongile mfethu for the information you gave us and thank you for allowing us to see the session yenu today.
Sibonga kakhulu mfethu.
Shapile. Ubani kama lakho mfethu?
Hayi kama lami siyabonga.
Siyabonga bani?
Siyabonga Gadebe. Hlala lephenduka.
So they say you were a team captain or you were previously a team captain. Because of what we know, bashilo ukuthi ni awusadlali lana in most cases sodlala ngare eNorthwest. How is it ngare eNorthwest?
Ngesikhali kakhulu kuyancengeka le Northwest yazi ibhola lesiyancenga yonke indawo.
So ngale like so far mafika ngale experience yakho benjani ngale?
Izinto eziningi ishintshile mangifika ngada.
So as you died umqeqeshi ngayezi isikhathi esiba we know you ukuthi ngodlala like us udlala ku Snake and thingithi ukuthola igama ku Snake. How is it man? mawuyithatha kuwo?
Kuyangijabulisa ukuthi yabo into eziningi ngizifunde kakhulu kuSnake.
So yini ongayisho ngocoach wakho uMevuni?
Ukuthi aqhubeke asize nabanye abazayo njengoba sisizile nathi njengoba masikhona elokishini aqhubeke asisize.
Alright, Sosha ke sawubona mfowethu.
Moja.
Simoja? Ukren. Igama lakho bani? Uthandwa kabani? Wakandlovu. How old are you?
17 years old.
17 years old. How are you feeling like mawudlala i-team club enkulu la eThokoza? Like it won into ezibhaya kanje and you are the youngest in the team.
Angikhuthaza kakhulu futhi ukuba nabantu abakhona ukukhuthaza ithimini ukuthi nathi siphumelela no-coaching uyasebenza kithi kakhulu ngoba uyabhilivela nakuma-young stars, so akasi-undermine, uyazivumela seyinto esiyithandayo.
So le nto yenzayo ethanda ucala unangaki?
Ngicale ngimncane, maybe bengina-6.
So manje we see you wearing Jomo Cosmos kit. Bowudlala kuJomo?
Bengidlala kuJomo under 13.
For how long?
2 years.
2 years. Then it happens manje suke wayekela nani.
Ngayekela ngenxa ye-COVID azange sabuyela.
Alright, so from going forward manje, because of this winter tournaments nowazodlala, there's December tournament, where do you see yourself in the next 6 months? You'll be playing in the tournament now, or you're hoping ukuthi bazokunika i-chance now njengeplay?
I'm hoping ukuthi ucoach Mev angangithemba njengoba ngithemba la ejimini, ngingambonisa ukuthi I'm perfect enough ukuthatha responsibility.
Kanjani, ngiyabonga.
Thank you so much.